This is UNT Bladesmithing's entry to the forging competition. It's a Chinese straight sword called a jian. The first step to making the sword was to heat our material and hit it with sledgehammers to flatten it and draw it out. We struck each side, moving 90 degrees, striking that, and then moving to another 90 degrees, so that we could strike each side at a roughly similar amount in order to ensure we have a consistent and continuous elongation without excessive bending or twisting. We then moved on to forging the edge by striking the side of the blade at approximately 30-degree angles. This both widened the blade and it saved time and effort in sanding and grinding the blade down to shape while we were sanding and polishing. With the forging finished, we moved on to heat treatment. We heated the blade to its normalization temperature, and then we quenched it in oil. The blade was then tempered at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. The guard was made by machining a slot through a block of steel and sliding it through the tang. The handle was made by drilling 2 holes into the tang and corresponding holes into wood pieces that would act as the handle. We used brass pins to secure the tang to the wood. When everything was fitted properly, we glued everything together using epoxy. Afterwards, we sanded everything down to ensure a comfortable handle and fit. We made the pommel by drilling a hole through a block of steel and sliding that through a thin part of the tang. This part of the tang was then heated and hammered down using a torch so that we could secure it with a peen.